Eh, may graduation ako. Magmamarcha kami ni Mami Jen. Ito pala pa kami ng Bradwick. Overdue na talaga to. Hindi pa kami nakaka-graduate kasi nag-pandemic din. Finally, now that there's time, nagkataon may graduation. Nakamarcha na ako, natapos ko na kasi yung pro skills dito sa CACS. Eto na yon. This is my chance. What a good way to start 2025. Alain mo na nga naman. Tara na. Ibang klase yung universe sa akin today.
Batch gold medalist, Miss Judy Ann Santos.
Last time I graduated here at CACS was a long time ago, and then I decided to further my skills into cooking. Sabi nga ni Ryan, if you want to have beautiful, good memories in a rock and roll culinary school, CACS is the place to go. Kasi rock and roll talaga ang mga professors dito. It is this school that made me believe na I could actually do so much more apart from acting. The world of culinary is endless. Wala siyang corners. It is round, it is big, and it's a beautiful journey. So congratulations to all of us.
Akalain mo, nakagraduate pa ako.
And flowers
Iba
for
rin.
you.
Ayan naman. Iba rin naman. Of course, I'm always grateful to my CACS family for always having my back here at the culinary world. Sila na naman talaga yung naging very patient. Hanggang madaling araw nag-aaral kami because naniwala sila na gusto kong matutunan itong mundo ng culinary. So, you're never too old to learn something new. So, aral pa tayo some more. Yay! Graduate na ako at 46!
2, 3, pause! Judy Ann.
Okay lang, busy kayo dati.
Ready, ma'am? 1, 2, 3, okay.